In this video, I'm going to show you how to find work on Upwork without spending a single Canuck, because Canucks are costly. Let's be honest, they were created just to monetize the platform. Upwork literally said that in their investor calls. So now it costs more and more money just to apply to jobs. But here's the good news. I'm going to show you how to work around that. 100% legit, no term of service violations, no risking your account, just real strategies that actually work. If you are tired of burning money just to get rejected or ignored, this video is for you. And the best part, these methods are proven. I've earned over $1 million on Upwork using these exact strategies, and now I am handing them over to you. Let's dive in. So first up, Upwork Project Catalog. Think of it like your personal service store. You create a project, like I will design a minimalistic logo for $100, and the client buys it directly. No proposal, no competition, and no Canucks. Here's how to win with the project catalog. Use keywords in your project title. Client search just like Google. Look at top selling projects in your niche. Study what works. Title, style, pricing, tier, thumbnails. Then create an enticing thumbnail. Use Canva if you're not a designer. In tiered pricing, starter, standard, and advanced. This uses psychology to push clients toward your most profitable package. List add-ons like fast delivery to boost the order value. This method flips the game. Instead of chasing jobs, jobs come to you. You never spend Canucks when clients buy a project. Next up, invitations. When a client invites you to a job, it used to be totally free to respond. As of 2024, Upwork introduced a small Canuck fee to accept some invites. But here's the thing. These jobs have way less competition and a much higher chance of getting hired. So they are worth every Canuck, or sometimes still free. How to get invited. Optimize your profile title and description with relevant keywords. Build a niche portfolio. Don't be a generalist. Be the go-to expert in your field. Get to the rising talent or top related badge. You'll rank higher in search and earn more invites. Bonus tip, when you land on an interview from an invite, Upwork often will refund your Canucks. A win-win. If you qualify rising talent, top-rated, expert vetted, offer consulting called via Upwork. These are likely mini strategy sessions. Client can book directly from your project catalog. You can get paid for a chat, and most importantly, these turn into bigger clients without sending proposals. Want long-term, high-paying clients? Get into Upwork Talent Scout or Enterprise Talent Pool. These are curated programs where Upwork handpicks you for clients. You get exclusive invites and pre-vetted gigs. To qualify, deliver great work, maintain a high job success score, apply for top-rated plus or expert vetted. These clients usually send a direct offer. Again, no Canucks are needed. Already have a client outside of Upwork? Use the Bring Your Own Client feature. Upwork may waive your service fee, 0% fee for some. And you don't need to spend Canucks. You send them an invitation link and they hire you. And boom, you get paid through Upwork. Build your profile and pay nothing to apply. Upwork gives free Canucks in various ways. You get free Canucks every month, usually 10 and more. You get Canucks back when your client interviews you. You get 30 to 90 free Canucks when you earn badges like Rising Talent or Top Rated. Watch for Upwork promotions. They sometimes give Canucks just for doing a quiz or attending a seminar. This method works very well, but be cautious. Some job posts include the client's website. If you spot one, go to their site and find their social media or LinkedIn. Reach out directly with them without violating Upwork terms. Example, I saw your job post on Upwork. I specialize in whatever needs they want and would love to support your project. Here's a quick idea for free. So be professional. This kind of warm outreach can lead to them inviting you back on Upwork, and again, no Canucks are needed. Don't make the mistake of spamming proposals and burning through Canucks. Use project catalogs, profile optimization, invitation and repeat clients, BYOC. Let Upwork work for you. I built a $1 million Upwork career by playing smart, not just hard. And you can too. Quick story. One of my community members used just the project catalog method I showed with you today. Within 2 weeks, this client got her first order, then 3 more in the following month, all without sending a single proposal. So yes, this does work. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with friends. Let me know in the comment below what other freelancing hacks you want. Also, check the pinned comment below. I've dropped a link to join my private Facebook community, where we go even deeper into Upwork strategies, reviews, real-time tips, and support. You don't want to miss that. Catch you in the next video. Until next time, be freelantastic.